Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shop button on Instagram. But before that, make sure to use the latest version of Instagram. Okay, so let's go into the Instagram here, and we have to go to the profile. You have to click on profile, which is on bottom right side corner. Okay, and here you have to click on the three lines, which is on top right side corner. And after that, you have to go to the settings, and you have to just scroll a little bit down, and you can see this account option, right? So just click on here, and first of all, you need to convert your normal account into a business account, into a professional account. So if you have already done that, you can just skip this video to a little further. But if you didn't, then you have to switch to professional account. So click on switch to professional account and just click on continue, continue, continue. And after that, you have to select whatever your category, right? And it should be, if you want a shop button, then it should be account where you do some kind of business, where you do some kind of transaction or selling or buying, right? So let's say if I select on a clothing brand, and if you want to know, if you want to check this display in profile, it will, and if you can just turn it off, right? So I will just click on the done here, and it will take around 30 seconds just to create your professional accounts, right? So we will just wait here, and you have to select whether you're a business or a creator. And if you select the creator, then you will not able to get the shop button, so you have to select the business account, right? So after that, click on continue, and here you have to add your email, your phone number, your business address, and you can also add audio calling, right? And if you want to show this contact info over your profile, you can, but yeah, I don't want to do this, right? So I'll just click on the next here, and if you don't want to enter this phone number or address, no need of that. Okay, and here you can connect this your Instagram account with a Facebook page. So just I will just skip this, and here you need to complete your profile, right? So you will not get automatically your shop button. You need to complete all your profile. You have to complete your profile and all that, and grow your audience and a little bit. Then after that, when you will just go to the edit profile, you will get here you can see this my account is a business account, that is a public information, and here you will get option to add a shop button, and you can easily do it, right? So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.